Hi, I'm Deb Martin, principal at Madison STEAM Academy.
And I'm Amanda Shinaki, the assistant principal. You'll be watching a video learning about our STEAM curriculum, our uniform policy, important documents that you'll need when registering your kindergarten kiddo, and much more.
Coming up next, our fabulous K-team will share all the great things that Madison has to offer.
Hi, my name is Jessica Luchinsky, and I am going to talk to you about the curriculum at Madison STEAM Academy. We follow the Indiana academic standards. Standards outline what students need to know, understand, and be able to do. Academic standards focus on what students will need to learn in order to be college and career ready and to be competitive in the job market. Yes, that does start in kindergarten. Curriculum tools are selected at the district or school level. We are a STEAM Academy. That means we focus on science, technology, engineering, arts, mathematics. These are all integrated into our curriculum. At Madison STEAM Academy, your child will learn the subjects of English language arts, math, science, social studies, and the arts. To break it down, in reading and writing, your child will learn print concepts, phonological awareness, phonics, fluency, literature, fiction and nonfiction, vocabulary, comprehension, writing. In math, they will learn number sense, computation, algebraic thinking, geometry, measurement, data analysis. In social studies, they'll learn about cultures, the past, symbols, maps, jobs, the environment, science, the five senses, seasons, night and day, plants, and animals.
Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Brandt and I'm a kindergarten teacher at Madison STEAM Academy. Throughout the school day, we use technology in our classrooms in many different ways. One of the first ways is through the iPads and Chromebooks that each student is able to use throughout the school day to enhance their learning. Another awesome feature of Madison STEAM Academy is that teachers have smart boards in all the rooms so that we can make learning interactive and a little more fun for students throughout the day. We also have a class called the Makerspace, and in this class we're able to use more of the STEAM part of Madison STEAM Academy and help students learn more about science, technology, engineering, the arts, and mathematics. And this is done through our 3D printer. Students can see the whole design process. They get to learn more about how to design something and then how to build it. They get to try their skills in coding and many more activities relating to STEAM.
Some of our favorite things to do are go on expeditions that go along with our units of study. We visit the fire station, the pumpkin patch, and the airport. We go to a farm and get to go on an animal safari. We even get to walk downtown to the Civic Theater and see many plays throughout the school year. One of the best things about Madison is that Leeper Park is across the street. This gives us a chance to plant our own garden, visit the Studebaker Fountain, enjoy the walking paths, and play on the brand new playground.
Hi there, I'm Ms. Shinaki. I'm your assistant principal at Madison STEAM Academy. I'm here to talk to you about our mandatory uniform policy that we have here at Madison. Okay, let's start with our tops, blouses, and shirts. They can be a solid color, one color. It could be striped shirt or a plaid, collared, button down, could be a t-shirt, it can be a sweatshirt, but no hoodies are allowed, okay? Pants can be one color, it could be khaki, they could be navy, they could be black, and you can even wear jeans, but no holes can be in your pants, or it can't be bedazzled, no adornments, no sequins, things like that. Shoes. Gym shoes are probably best. We do not allow sandals or flip-flops. Any sandals without a back to them, we do not allow. All closed-toed shoes are allowed. No open-toed shoes are allowed, okay? Also, we do encourage our students to wear belts at school. Sometimes we need a belt. If you have those, please wear those as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our school, 393-3200.
At Madison STEAM Academy, we strive to have a fun and safe learning environment. We use a program called Classroom Dojo that promotes positive behavior as well as communication with the parents. On this application, the parents can message the teacher with any questions or any concerns, as well as the teacher being able to come in contact with the parent. There is a section on there where the teacher can post pictures of what the students are doing throughout the day so the parents are able to see what their students are up to. We eat breakfast in the classroom every day so that the teachers can walk around and get to know their students. We have learning centers in the classroom where they are differentiated and the students work in small groups so that they are working together, sharing, and completing a task. One of the centers during that time is always a STEAM center where the students are working on components of STEAM: science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. They are using manipulatives to create something during that time.
We teach our language arts and math curriculum as integrated units of study based on our science standards. In kindergarten, we have 10 units of study. They range from investigating fall using our 5 senses, weather and seasons, how things work / exploring design, animals and their habitats, our earth, and exploring plants. We also incorporate the science-based picture-perfect learning lessons into our units. These lessons are engineering design-based and highly engaging. Our integrated units allow our kindergartners to learn via hands-on projects. During each unit, students are introduced to the subject matter via read-alouds, vocabulary, technology such as iPads and Chromebooks for research, writing, field trips, expeditions, and a STEAM project that will conclude each unit.
We hope you enjoyed our video and have a better understanding of the opportunities available for your child here at Madison STEAM Academy.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us at either of the email addresses listed below. Thank you for your time and have a great day.
Goodbye.